The question is very short. So what should you do if you want to find the area of the shaded region? Okay, what do you understand by the red line?
It's the tangent at pi over 2.
Okay, so this is a tangent. All right. So in order to know this area, can you tell me what should I do first?
Sub pi over 2 into e cosine x.
Why must I sub in?
So I can find the y coordinate for the tangent.
Yeah, so that you can find the y coordinate for the tangent. Yeah, you are right. So I have to know the y coordinate. So why I can sub into this equation? Why? Can someone tell me? Why I can sub into this equation? Because I want to find, because this is a tangent at this point, correct? So I have to find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to e to the power of cos x at x equal to pi by 2, correct?
Yeah.
So still remember how to find the equation of tangent? Still remember how to find the equation of tangent?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you now try, give it a try?
Right.
Okay, everyone give you a try. You want to find the equation of tangent to the curve at y equal to e cos x at x equal to pi by 2. If you don't know how to do, you may ask, then I will guide you. Five minutes, ah. Done? Have you got the equation of tangent?
Yep, got it. I think.
Oh, got it. Okay. So someone have got it. So I'm going to go through. Okay. So first step, I know that equation of tangent is in this form, correct? Y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so how am I going to find the gradient? Okay, can someone tell me how to find the gradient?
You differentiate e power cosine pi over 2.
Okay, why I need to differentiate e to the power of cos x? Aiman. Aiman, can you explain to me? Why must I differentiate, find the derivative of this? Aiman, are you there? No? Rush? Rush? Ni Raj? Raj, Niraj, are you there?
Hello, Chair.
Yeah, can you tell me why must I differentiate this?
Okay, well, I did that to find the equation of the tangent so I can get the y and x intercepts.
Are you sure?
Uh,
Remember this, dy dx is the gradient function for tangent at any point on the curve. This is something that you have to know. So if I want to find, then what should I do? Okay, so I have to differentiate, yeah. So when I differentiate this, okay, I have to use, what do I need to use? I need to use this formula first. How do you differentiate exponential function? You copy down the whole thing, then you time by the derivative of the power. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay, so can someone tell me? Okay, I'm going to call your name. Yeah. Okay. Zara, can you tell me how to do this one?
So E cos x
Thank
times,
you. Times.
then differentiate cos x, which is negative sin x
Thank you.
times 1, which is
Okay, so the times one I won't write. Okay, good. So now we have the gradient function. So now our job is to find the gradient. So I will say at x equal to pi by 2. Okay, so the gradient will be equal to e cos pi by 2 negative sin pi by 2. Okay. You can go to your calculator and calculate what is E and what is cos pi by 2. That is 0. What is sin pi by 2? That is -1. So e to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, so I got the gradient is -1. So when x equal to pi by 2, I have to know the y coordinate in order to get the c. So the y coordinate will be e cos pi by 2, whereby from the gradient part we know it is 1. So now I have the gradient, I have the point, so I sub into y equal to mx plus c. So I got the c. Okay, so this one is also called the y-intercept. Right? So it will be this length. Am I right? So this length is 1 plus pi by 2. So now, if I want to find this length, so what should I do? I should get back to my equation of tangent, which is y equal to -x plus the c, which is 1 plus pi by 2. So I want to find the x-intercept. I must put y equal to 0. So my x-intercept is clear. So now you have this. Can you find the area of the triangle? Therefore, the area will be half base times height. Done. Clear?
Yeah.
So everything that you do, you just have to be, you know the process, you do it, you know how to differentiate, then you can get the mark. Clear? Okay. Can you please refer to chapter 3, 2, and 3? Any trigger that you want me to explain further? You want me to discuss with you? Did y'all look through? Hello, class?
I haven't really looked through yet.
You haven't really looked through yet.
Yeah.
Can you help with page 53, question
Okay.
3?
Page 53, question
3H.
Okay, 3H. Okay. Y equal to cos cube 4x. Okay, what is the meaning of this? It means like that. Clear?
Yeah.
So now what rule to use? When you see something to the power, you want to find the derivative. So, okay. Can I have Clarissa to help me?
3
3, correct. Bring down the power. You are right.
times cos 4x to the power
Yeah.
of 2.
Can. Thank you. Copy down the whole thing. Power take away 1. Continue.
Negative sine 4x
Yeah, you differentiate cos, you got sin. Copy down the angle.
times
Another
4
times 12. Okay, sorry for some disturbance. Okay, so the person who asked, is there any problem?
No, got it then.
Can So, okay. So any other thing that you like me to help you? Hmm? Hello?
Not me.
Okay. The rest, no. Okay. If not, then can we go to one of the question? Okay. Can we go to page 96? We discussed this question 12. Can you all go to that? Okay. So don't look at the diagram, then you get worried, okay? It's just a simple displacement question, okay? Kinematic. Okay. So if you see this, so like yesterday we discussed one of the question, correct? What should you do? Hello, class?
Differentiate it first.
Why you differentiate all?
Because the question was to find out the velocity, right?
Should I differentiate if the question want to find the velocity?
Yeah.
What is the quickest way?
Quicker way.
You forgot about your GC?
Oh yeah, type into GC. And then differentiate with the GC.
Yeah.
Sure.
Can you please take out your GC? Key this into Y1.
The t is also inside the cosine, right?
Yes. Then what should you do with your y2? So don't forget about this, okay? It's very important. Are you done?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you just need to V0. Okay. Calculator. So you use your GC. You call out y2. Then you put 0. Then you get the answer. So everyone know how to do? So when you solve this type of question, correct? You don't. If you are a person who are not good in calculus differentiation, what you can do is GC can help you, so you still can pass your test. Okay, so what is your answer? So you can
0.
take the answer from the textbook. So can. So I'm going to copy down the textbook answer and give it to you. See whether you can get. Anyone who can't get, please let me know. Okay, is there an issue on that? So remember, don't just because you are not good in maths, but you got graphic calculator, it can help you to do your work. All right, so this is 0. Zero. Oh, correct. You see, when you talk about trigo, correct? Do you see it repeat itself? You see it repeat itself? You go in cycle, am I right? You go from 0 to negative, then go up to positive. Do you know why is it like that? Okay, let me show it to you by doing differentiation. So we have to know both also, okay? Okay, can someone tell me what is the derivative of ST? Okay, Anzu, you want to try? Anzu? Oh, okay. Off it. Okay, yeah.
What happened?
Anzu? Yeah. So if you
I mean, like, why you guys suddenly breaking up?
Wing-Shen, can you please mute yourself?
Miss, the sound's not coming from me.
Anzu, are you there? Anzu? Okay, never mind. Then we bet. Anzu, please mute yourself. Okay. So derivative of 30 is 0. Derivative of cos is, okay. Kydrick?
Yeah.
Kydrick?
Yeah.
Derivative of cos is?
Negative 5.
Cos is? Kydrick, right, please?
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear
Negative
you.
sign?
Negative sin. So I copy down the angle. Then after that, what should I do?
Bracket, like times it by that cos.
Derivative of pi t is?
The
What do you get?
No, it's pi.
Yeah, so please remember. Okay, so my VT function will be negative pi sin pi t. Okay, so the sin curve, if you key into the calculator, you will look like this. Okay, so that's why it keeps repeating itself. Maximum is pi, minimum is negative pi. Yeah, you can key this into the calculator. Okay, so we will do that later. Okay, so now, so let's look at part B. Find the interval when the cork is falling. Okay, what do you mean by falling? What do you mean by falling? Okay, now, this is the position of the cork. So this is ST equal to, okay, our ST is 30 plus cos pi t, S0. So what is it? Can someone tell me the value? Hello? Anyone? Emily?
31.
31, thank you. Okay. 31 cm. So which means that at the beginning, the cork is here. Correct? And this is 31. Can I say like that? Can I say like that? Okay, now they want to find the time interval when the cork is falling. Okay, so now can you please sketch the graph of ST? Okay, everyone sketch the graph of ST and see how ST look like. Have you got the graph? We see whether ST graph can help us or not, or we should go for VT graph. Okay. So your T is time, so you get from 0 to, maybe you want to put 10. Then you go to Zoom feed. The window scale, you put one, the X scale. You got the graph by that? Hello?
Yes, miss.
And here is 1. No, 1, 2, here is 3, 4, 5. Okay, now. So, when is it falling?
After like after the maximum and minimum point.
So look, 0 to 1, right? Then the other one is one. Sorry, I label wrongly. I erase first. This is 1, this is 2. Here is 3. Here is 4. Here is 5. So 0 to 1. Then the next one?
2 to 3.
Yeah, 2 to 3. Then 4 to 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, so it can go on and on. Right? So how are we going to write it? So look, even, correct? So when you talk about even in max, we'll write it as 2. So now we make a general formula. Right? So, and you look at here, you 2 go to 3 means plus what? Hey, how 2 become 3?
Plus 1.
Yeah, plus 1. So I plus 1. And n is a member of whole number. Correct? When n equal to 0, I get this. When n equal to 1, I get this. When n equal to 2, I get this. When n equal to 3, I got 6. and 7, and so on and so forth. So if I write this in a general form, then I got all the interval. Are you clear? So I can use a ST graph to help me. So for calculus, correct? For trigo, always we go back to the graph. That is the best. Clear? Okay. Can I use VT graph to help me? Huh? Okay. I want everyone to sketch the VT graph. You just sketch your Y2 graph, huh? You unhighlight your Y1, then you go to your Y2. Someone has sent me the graph. Okay. The graph look like this. Right? And here is 0, here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, and so on. Do you get that? So when you say going down means, so you can approach in 2 ways. Am I right? Am I right? So I have this 0 to 1. The next one is 2 to 3. Then the next one is 4 to 5. And you continue. So you make a general statement. You see or not? So when we talk about all this, it depends on your understanding. Going down means the displacement becomes smaller in this case. Velocity is negative. So you can approach this question in 2 different manners. Clear? Okay? So learn how to sketch the graph. Everyone, you know how to sketch the graph, huh? Hello? Sketching graph is very important. Okay? Okay, now go back to your chapter 2 and 3. Any question? If not, I'm going to give you one question and ask you for the answer. Okay, do you think you can do this?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. So first of all, we don't have the formula for cotangent, correct? Yeah. Junjie, can you tell me cotangent in terms of sin and cos?
is cos over sine, is it? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, you are right. Cos 3x over sin 3x. So if I want to differentiate this, I have to use quotient rule. So can everyone try quotient rule? Are you done?
I think,
Okay, what is the answer?
is it 1
Never mind. 1 over
secant square x?
secant square.
Wait. Oh, I messed up.
Cannot say you mess up. You have to be careful.
Miss, is it negative 3 divided by sine square 3x?
Okay. Your answer is negative 3 divided by sin square 3x. Let's prove it. Okay? See whether is it correct or not. Or you can write this as negative 3. The reciprocal for sin is, we call it
Cosec?
yeah. So all these, please write it down, okay? So if I differentiate u, yeah, okay. What is the answer? Marcus?
Negative 3 sine 3x.
Thank you. I differentiate. Oh, this one I write wrongly, yeah? Okay. Emily, I differentiate cos 3x. Emily?
Yes, miss. I'm here.
Yeah. So can you tell me the answer? I differentiate sin 3x.
Or 3 cosine 3x.
Yeah, you are right. So I put into quotient rule. All right? Okay. Everyone should know what is quotient rule. Okay, Ramisa, you want to try?
Yes, miss, sure, only if I can.
Yeah, give me.
UV prime minus.
No. You do the reverse already. You should do like that first.
Okay, so U prime V minus UV prime by
Yeah, give me the value instead of just telling you what is U, what is V. Can you please?
minus sine 3x
Mm,
and sine 3x
mm.
minus cos 3x, 3 cos 3x by sine 3x whole square.
Thank you. So
Right.
please remember that. Second time, Ramisa.
Yes, miss, I'm so sorry about that.
No, don't have to say sorry. You just need to remember. Okay? Saying sorry, it will not help. Tell yourself, I remember that. Okay? So I will have, take out the 3. I will have negative sin square. Okay, I can take out negative 3 instead. Instead of 3, I take out negative 3, correct? Sin square 3x since I take out negative 3, here it become plus cos square 3x, correct? Then I have sin 3x, the whole thing square. Okay. May I ask? Okay. May I ask Lian, what is the value of sin square 3x and cos square 3x?
1.
Thank you. So we got the answer. So what you need to do is you have to get yourself, get used to it. You get me? You get used to it, then you will know what to do. Can or not? Can I request your every day spend about half an hour? When you do maths, you don't do for too long. You go crazy. Are you clear? Okay?
Yes.
So you have to try your best to complete chapter 2 and chapter 3, all the question about trigo. Can you? Hello?
Yeah.
I'm trying my best to make sure you remember the formula, okay? So I will see you next week on integration. Okay, thank you, class.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, miss.
It means